Cherry farm. Nun cherry farms. N-U-N, nun.
Nun cherry farms?
Yeah. You know that you can pick cherries there?
Yeah, we are gonna go and pick cherries. So that's what we're on to.
And
So we'll see you there. Well, we are gonna take a look at these signs outside. Later. Bye. Finally, we're at the cherry farm, guys, and we'll meet you when we're there. So finally, we reached the cherry farm. I have my basket here. We didn't bring Sam, so we're gonna buy one here. So let's get started.
Four buckets? Okay, let's walk.
We have a bucket. Another, find some cherries.
That's where you have. Yeah, it's not here. They have picked all the.
I found a cherry, everyone.
Puff.
Pluck it.
You
And
can
there's
eat.
also another one.
You
there.
can no. First taste it. How it looks.
Wow.
You can taste.
But it's not ripe, I think.
No, it is.
Okay, good. I need to taste it.
You're tasting?
Is it okay if I taste it in home?
Oh, yeah, you can have it.
At home, right?
Yeah.
Can I do it in
I think we need to go a little far now to grab more cherries.
I thought I just find it here.
Huh. Just look for it, Sam.
Now
Andy,
let's go a little further.
Andy, ఇక్కడ పైన టేస్ట్ చూస్తే మనము ఏ ట్రీకి బాగున్నాయో దెన్ వీ కెన్ ప్లక్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ట్రీ. Sam, Susanna, can you taste them?
Mask తీసుకే ఉన్నా.
There's also down here, Daddy. One fell. At least I got him. Daddy, look, I got some more.
See the taste. Is it good or not? Take only one. Don't pluck all of them.
I got this many cherries. I was the first one to find cherries in my.
Sam, did you taste it? No. First taste it.
I
If
wanted
it's
to
not
taste
good,
it at home.
no. First you taste it, then we will pick it. One you taste it.
Bunch.
Wait. Wait.
I thought you were carrying it.
No.
Lagoon. Kenyan plant.
And I gave it to you. I'm also there.
Yeah. Don't waste, girls. See the full red one. Sam, don't pluck everything. See the full red. Right. See here.
Two cherries.
Can I see the taste of this?
Yeah.
It is full laddu.
Idigo down this down.
Taste it.
Is it sweet, Nana?
మాస్క్ పద్దాక పెట్టుకొని తీసి అట్లా చేయొద్దు నాన్న, కిందకి పెట్టేసి ఉంచు.
ఎవరిని వచ్చినప్పుడు పైకి అనేస్తాడు ఇది.
Is it good or sour? Good? Okay. Then let's get from this tree.
It's not sour at all, Daddy.
Oh, that's good.
And I ate it.
This side.
I found. Oh yeah, that's where I found.
See, the more you go to the end of the line, you find more cherries because people have already plucked from the beginning.
I found them. I want this color.
Nana, there are so many cherries. Don't
You get
buy
these?
for one.
Okay. Yeah. These are bad. Big. Swoosh.
Sam, we don't pluck without tasting it. Is it good?
Yeah, they look good. పైన కూడా ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. I pluck చేస్తాను.
Taste one?
Daddy, they all are red.
No, Nana. Every tree you taste one, and then you pluck. See, this is not good, right? This is not good. We cannot have this.
Daddy,
Hmm?
is it okay if it looks like this? No.
No.
And the sand. ఇక్కడ కదా.
But there's still some more here, Mama.
Okay. Susanna, you want to pluck them? They're very good.
Daddy,
Come this side.
here they look nice, but this one is not nice. So this one is totally. This one is bad.
You should not.
You should not waste. Well, I go and find. See how all the cherries are on the ground? That's how you waste the cherries. So you should not do that. Just pluck the cherries. Don't waste them. These are bad cherries. I have to admit, they are very bad.
Give it to me.
See, they're bad. Mama, I found one. I'm going to eat this cherry. This cherry I'm going to.
So many cherries they wasted.
Again, we wasted so many cherries. Now there's so less.
టేస్ట్ ఇగో ఇక్కడ కింద ఉన్నాయి చూడండి కొన్ని. దేర్ సామీ కెన్ రీచ్ దేర్.
Let me check how this tastes, okay?
Taste.
See?
It's okay. They are sour. It is sour. Oh, there are so many over there.
So many are there down.
First taste the tree, Nana. You have to taste the tree and. Come. Sam, you also come. This tree is good. Sam, Susanna, that is not that tree. This tree.
చూడు నాన్న Susanna.
Stand here. Turn back and see on your top. See here. Yeah.
Oh yeah. But can you put this in my bag?
Yes. Yeah. Pluck నాన్న ఇవి బాగున్నాయి ఇవి తీసుకెళ్దాం. Sam is it? Show Dad.
Okay, this one is really bad. This is oh my god. This one is really bad.
Let's go.
Is this bad?
So many cherries are there.
Is it? I think we have
Careful, careful, Susanna.
Oh, okay. Can you try, Daddy? I'm getting this. Let's try one, Daddy. Is it?
Yeah.
Taste it like that? I got one.
Enough.
Daddy, those. No, those, Daddy. I like cherry picking. Thank you, Daddy.
Again, people have wasted lot of cherries here.
See there?
Ugh. If people had not wasted, can we see how many?
Yeah.
Yeah. A sprinkler. Yeah, don't touch that. Okay, understand.
Nana, one.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah. So fun.
Is it worth a 1 hour drive?
Yes. It's so worth a 1 hour drive.
Nana, Daddy will walk first and
Cherries, cherries, everywhere. Cherries, cherries, all gonna fit you. Yeah. Juicy, yeah.
is it good?
Let me taste. One
Then
is
why-
one or two.
Why did you take 3 without tasting?
Hey, can I have one?
Hmm?
You taste this one. Mmm.
Good?
Mhm.
Let's take one more round. And we'll meet our uncle and then you can leave. And I can use them. చూసావా నాన్న ఈ చెట్టుకి చూడ అసలు ఎంత కిందకి
And this is exactly my height.
Taste, Sam, taste. You are wasting, Sam. Taste first and then pluck.
Sam, this is your first time, right? Cherry picking?
This is my second time cherry picking. I went when I was a baby.
Almost
A bug on you.
Hmm.
It's just the second time. It's the second time.
Manchi, what is it?
Dad, it's so juicy. The one that I just ate is so juicy. Come on. Friends, it was nice. I liked it.
How about you, Sam?
Yeah, I liked it. Sit there. Can I go and get this stick?
చాలు చిన్నవి చాలు you will find so many sticks.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a big one.
Well, they're all so big.
Hmm.
చిల్లింగ్ అన్న బాగా అలసిపోయినాక ఇసుకిస్తుంది నన్ను
Come, girl. Show the sticks and come.